Hi, I'm Jami Gordon. I wanted just to provide people with a general idea of what is the purpose of an open house. An open house is to showcase a property, to provide the home seller with feedback on their home. Not many times the house doesn't sell from an open house, so keep that in mind. So the open house would really help the home seller be able to get more exposure and perfect their house to make the experience the best possible. So who should come to an open house? That would be neighbors would be perfect. People that are planning to build a home, people that are looking to sell their house in the next year or so, and just anybody that's curious even in the area. We have a lot of people that just like to go to open houses to see what other people are doing. But the most important thing is for people to actually provide feedback to the home seller so that they are able to, have that experience for anybody that walks through. So this is Jami Gordon. I'm actually in an open house right now. We had a few couples through and I'm just wrapping things up here. I'm at 7510 First Street Northwest over here in Stony Point. So I did a Facebook Live a little bit earlier on this one, but I wanted to just give a shout out for what the purpose of an open house is. I love to meet new people and always appreciate the feedback from neighbors, from people that are just curious in the area. So come on by if you are in the area, or come to any other open house that is listed in my feed, and I'd love to meet you. Have a blessed day.